Take the stress and hassle out of making sure your phone is always charged while outdoors or on the go with the Adventure King's 10-watt portable solar kit. When you're on the edge of phone reception, your phone goes through its battery quickly as it searches for signal. Plus, we all use our phones heavily these days, taking photos and videos of our adventures, as well as keeping in touch with family back home. The Adventure King's solar-powered phone charger is a fantastic way to quickly charge your phone and tablet batteries, as well as Bluetooth speakers and headphones anytime the sun is shining. It has a 2-amp fast-charging USB port along with a zippered pocket to store your device. It's also extremely lightweight at only 400 grams, so it's never a bother to carry with you even on day trips. It's a great way of breaking free of messy cables. Available exclusively from 4-Wheel Drive Supacentre.